Did you notice? From here the market made a pullback before it continued up. Let's highlight these points with a drawing tool. Right here, the pullback came to a stop with price rejections. Now, the big question for you. Why did this happen? To a great extent, technical analysis will always answer questions like this. For you to understand the reason behind this price movement, using technical analysis, you must take cognizance of the price movements in totality. Before we go further, what do you understand? Hold your thoughts while I take you through this interesting class. Now, let's zoom out to get a better view of the price movements. This enables you gather enough information regarding this currency pair. At this effect, always use a device and platform that will widen your view of the market chart. A bigger screen will be to your advantage. All you do in this space can only determine two things: your profit or loss in the market. Thus, this is highly important. At this pullback level, the market price surprisingly obeyed a previous resistance level that was broken few weeks ago. Now, here's our support level. Remember, when a market price breaks a resistance level, it becomes a support level if prices bounces off that same level. Let's take out our drawing tools. A rectangular highlight box is always better to outline a support level because this leads to higher accuracy. This support level has dictated the movement of price. Now, what price action happened at this level? At this point, the market prices made reversals. But remember, the more prices test support or resistance levels, the more they weaken it. Inasmuch as when prices reverse at a given level, it makes it either a support or resistance. The more this price is reversed from this level, the weaker it becomes. Now that here has been turned to a support level, you should actually watch this zone because it shouldn't be surprising if prices make a return here. Before we continue, you must note that no matter what you do in the financial market, support and resistance levels are crucial if you are willing to reap from the market. The market is always attracted to these levels as iron is to magnet. Now, let's zoom our focus to this point. Here, the market price makes a confluence, and there can actually be more if you employ other tools such as indicators and Fibonacci retracements. Can you see the engulfing pattern candlestick? With a bullish candlestick as a confirmation, you can go long here. Remember, a confirmation is always necessary for conservative traders. This single level has given you many opportunities to benefit from the market. This level is also a good buying opportunity. That is if you have highlighted this support level. Because you can only place your stop loss just below it, your trading will reflect on how successful you use technical analysis tools. So, before you attempt to execute any trade, take your time, pay attention to details, and endeavor you approach the market in a professional manner. Remember, technical analysis uses previous price actions to predict future market movements. So for an accurate analysis, you must pay close attention to what happened in the past.